A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And my name is Ronald Wekwamakusha. This morning, let us take a look on what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear or favor. There are reports that Zimbabwean government is actually planning to arrest President Advocate Chamisa. To do so, it believes that the Commission of Inquiry, which was launched, is meant to rope in Nelson Chamisa by hook or crook, such that they taint his image, especially to the international community or to the world. The resignation of Nelson Chamisa from active politics seems not to have yielded the wanted results by ZANU-PF, as he remains the major threat to Emmerson Mnangagwa's dynasty, the Mafidi dynasty. Let us take a look onto this report from Kozwa, which clearly exposes this plan, and we need to take a look on the possibilities of this happening. We know Advocate Nelson Chamisa as an individual, and it's difficult to tell if Emmerson Mnangagwa would have the capacity to actually arrest Nelson Chamisa. So what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe is sad to an extent that you see the opposition being victimized left, right, and center, and this continues. And it seems as if those in charge do not even care. What we will do as citizens, we only need to make sure that we continue to hold on and support Advocate Nelson Chamisa. That is the last thing we will do as citizens. We will not leave Advocate Nelson Chamisa to stand alone. And, if they attempt to arrest President Nelson Chamisa, it means they will have to arrest everybody. That is a fact. So Kozwa says the attestation of Commission of Inquiry today was a launch of a new bliss against Chamisa. Jacob Mafume, who is now working with the system, seeks to expose and destroy Chamisa by targeting companies which have contracts with the Harare City Council. He wants Chamisa arrested. This is what is happening. The major question will be, who is giving these companies contracts? Because the whole administration of Harare City Council was appointed or is appointed by the government. The minister is in charge. The town clerks, the administrators, everybody is appointed by the minister, which means if there is any company linked by any way to Nelson Chamisa, that company was given a tender purposefully to destroy Nelson Chamisa in the future or to tarnish his image. As far as I'm concerned, Nelson Chamisa is 1 in a million. One of few Zimbabweans who would refuse bribes. Nelson Chamisa is one of the fewest people who still believe that he doesn't need to take some money from somebody such that he lives his life. So you'd see that this is the trick, this is the plan by ZANU-PF, but the major question is, will it work? Jacob Mafume, we have seen him being praised at the rebranding of Mikos to Hyatt, and we've seen them working together. Jacob Mafume on his own came to say we have to support the government, we have to applaud the government in whatever it is doing. It seems as if Jacob Mafume is so comfortable with whatever which this government is doing. This is still grapevine, but from what I have observed, from the comments, from what the people think, this is a very, very, very huge task. And I do not see this happening. I do not see Nelson Chamisa being arrested because he never committed a crime. That is point number one. If there are any companies which are involved, if they were companies linked to Nelson Chamisa, ZANU-PF didn't need a commission of inquiry. So these are the stories which they will try to create so that they simply tarnish the image of Nelson Chamisa. I don't believe that this, if anything comes, it will be targeted to make Nelson Chamisa arrested. It will only be targeting to tarnish his image, to paint him with the wrong brush. That will be the agenda, not to arrest him. Why? Arresting Nelson Chamisa is simply a declaration of war. Arresting Nelson Chamisa is simply a declaration of civil disobedience. You will be arrested, you'll be taken to court. People will go in solidarity with Nelson Chamisa, and that day nobody will work, especially in Harare. No one will work. That day soldiers will be deployed. If Nelson Chamisa is to attend court as a detainee, it will happen. I'm telling you, it will happen. Watch this space and see. Everybody will be in the streets. The whole world will be talking about it. Everybody, the whole world will be on alert to see the next move. It's because of the anointing, it's because of the grace, it's because of the mercy on Nelson Chamisa. That is the reason why you see Nelson Chamisa managed to contain everything and every situation. And everybody is asking to Nelson Chamisa, what is the way forward? Everybody is trusting Nelson Chamisa. We are working things out. People are eagerly waiting for Nelson Chamisa to give a signal. Arresting Nelson Chamisa will be an indirect signal. And you come from out of prison going straight to State House. The day they will arrest him, the day they will take him to court, will be the last day of Emmerson Mnangagwa as president. Because the people will go to take Nelson Chamisa from prison and will leave him at the State House. I can tell you this. I can tell you this. So, Anzi Kanaka Bano Sungwa, what's so special about him? Nelson Chamisa is not a thief, and Nelson Chamisa has never been involved in shady deals. So, let them arrest Nelson Chamisa and see what is going to happen. He will not even spend a night. It will be even difficult for them to take him to court. It will never happen. It will never, ever happen. That will be the biggest mistake ever. That is the reason why you see Emmerson is tried by all means possible to avoid a direct confrontation with Nelson. He knows very, very well. He knows for sure that Nelson Chamisa is not a violent man, but if he touches him, that is like touching electricity. You know, it's good when you are using electricity. You have to know that it's something good, but it's very dangerous. You don't touch live cables with your naked hands. You won't dare. So, how is Chamisa in the mix again? He's not in the city of Harare. He's not in Triple C. And what powers did Chamisa have in the business of the city council and their deals? Chamisa doesn't have any power. He doesn't have any power. He doesn't influence anything because he has never signed any tender. Kukanzuru. Variko vanhu varisaina matenda kukanzuru. Ivo vana mafume. Ndo vanhu varimwe mukati vanenge vachipesana ipapa. So personally, I believe that this thing will never happen. And taking a look onto this report, personally, I believe that this is simply a counterintelligence gimmick. There is nothing like that. There is nothing like that. They are trying to actually hide from the real intention of creating this commission of inquiry. This is my view. I don't see Mnangagwa daring to arrest Nelson Chamisa. This is my own view, my honest view. I do not know what you think, and thank you very much for coming. Please keep on subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Your support on our platforms is very important. Let us meet in other episodes and other